This is Bear. This is Bear, son of the Zizel, son of Puma. This is Bear. This is Bear. There's his sister in the background, Barika. Bear is a daddy. Bear is a daddy. Bred him to Sahara. You're gonna see in the next clip. Luqman Canini's. Come on. Yeah, you on to something, boy. He's sniffing so hard, he ain't even let up. Also, we have little Dua in the video. Luqman Canini. Now, here's the interesting thing. Puma will be December 2023. Puma will be 2 years. I mean, not Puma. Baraka, which is Puma's daughter, this golden one, without her ears cropped, will be 2 April of next year. Dua is also Puma's daughter, but son to Shaka. I'll put that in the video. Puma's daughter, Puma's son, father Diesel, right? F1 Caninis. Now we have something extremely special where we'll be putting Bear F1 into Sahara. Bear has he's a little bit less bully than his sister and Sahara and his half sister Dua. But you'll see why that's okay, because with him we'll be able to add some to Sahara and also fill out some of him. But his athleticism, Bear, he's silly. He's still a baby. He's your big boy, but he's your big boy. He's your big boy. You'll see what I'm talking about. But look at that. Look at that. Half siblings, same mother, different fathers. How you keep your line real nice, but not too tight, right? Because I'll be putting Genghis, putting in the picture right here, into Baraka and Dua, right? Which will now make another set of F2s. Do you get what I'm doing? Do you see where I'm going? Yabba dabba doo, Scooby Dooby Doo. Bear, let's go! This will be it, because at this point, we're breeding Canini purebred, Canini, F1 to F1, creating F2s, okay? Already papered for the F1 just because we've already done 6-7 generations, right? But these are the finals, and there'll be multiple more F1s, right? But once F2s are locked in, that's it, right? So that's his brother over there, Khan. But yeah, let's stay tuned here, Sahara, and we're hoping we're gonna have some puppies laying in the next 24 to 48 hours. Stay tuned. Like I said, F1s to F1s, we're making F2s here. History in the making. What you gotta say, Genghis? Yeah, boy.
Hafeez Kennels, baby, you understand me? One of a kind dog, you understand me? Only place you gonna find these dogs, you understand me? Yeah. Where my dogs at? Where my dogs at?